am married, and I think I have a really pretty great marriage. We've been married about 14 and a half years. And I think that I'm generous in marriage when you talk about generosity. And I've read a little bit about your study. And I was wondering if you'd talk a little bit more on that. I'm married to a sociologist, so we kind of think scientifically anyway, even in romance, it kind of permeates everything. And so, just kind of what does it mean to be generous? Kind of like, how does that play out?
So we actually defined it in the study in 4 different ways.
One is sociological.
Yeah, that's right. You're going to be a little your own personal merit, generosity coefficient factor that you can put on the refrigerator for each week.
And the Cronbach's alpha for this is pretty high. This scale, it works. It works.
That means it's good.
These things hang together is what that means. But so the first thing is basically when one of the spouses reports making regular acts of service for his or her spouse. So it could be like, doing coffee in the morning, it could be a back rub at night, it could be getting flowers, just little things on a regular basis. And the key is it's a lot of little things.
Hold on, is my husband getting this?
That's one item. A second item is forgiveness, that you regularly extend forgiveness to your spouse. And that's kind of a gift to your spouse, once again, for faults and failings, and we all, of course, none of us are perfect. The third thing is regular expressions of affection, going kind of beyond just the normal modicum of marital comity. And then also expressing respect or admiration on a frequent basis. So these things all together create a nice scale. But if I had to kind of isolate one of these 4 things to really get at the idea, I would say it's kind of these regular acts of service, or of sort of signaling to your spouse that you value them, that you understand them, you know what they like, and you're going to do that for them. And there's also a certain kind of surprise, a kind of novelty. It creates a kind of a virtuous cycle of gift giving, where, ideally, where one spouse is giving these little gifts, and then the other spouse begins to, internalize that and reciprocate. And when they have this sort of virtuous cycle, that's associated with a good marital outcome. That's the idea.
Okay, thank you.